Okay, there's little work to show for 111, but let's talk our way through it. They want to know whether it's positive, negative, or no association. So A, number of inches of rain per hour and the height of the water in the reservoir. So as the number of inches of rain per hour increases, the height of the water in the reservoir will increase. So if one increases as the other increases, that's a positive, right, correlation or association. For B, the amount of food a person eats and how many pets he or she has. There's no correlation between how much food you eat and how many pets you have. They're not asking about the feeding the pets. So there's none or no correlation, right? None. For C, the height of a tree and the amount of nutrients it gets. So the height of a tree and the amount of nutrients, clearly I'm not an arborist, if that's the correct word, but I would assume that as the tree gets higher and bigger, it needs more nutrients, so it would get more nutrients out of the soil. So I would say as the height increases, the amount of nutrients increases, which would make it a positive correlation. And for D, the number of hours spent hiking in the mountains and the amount of water left in your water bottle. So it's assumed that when you hike, you drink water as you go. So as the number of hours you spend hiking increases, the amount of water remaining in your bottle would decrease. So that would be a negative, right? As one goes up, the other goes down. And that's my best guess at these situations.